Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. I paint the wall. I paint the wall. They eat breakfast. They eat breakfast. The bell rings loudly. The bell rings loudly. He plays football. He plays football. She dances gracefully. She dances gracefully. I drink water. I drink water. He fixes the watch. He fixes the watch. The car stops suddenly. The car stops suddenly. I open the door. I open the door. He studies for the exam. He studies for the exam. The flowers bloom in spring. The flowers bloom in spring. We hike in the mountain. We hike in the mountain. He builds a house. He builds a house. The dog chases the ball. The dog chases the ball. I bake a cake. I bake a cake. She shops for clothes. She shops for clothes. He win the race. He win the race. The phone rings again. The phone rings again. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. We walk to school. We walk to school. He reads a book. He reads a book. The babies sleep peacefully. The babies sleep peacefully. They run every morning. They run every morning. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. She swim in the pool. She swim in the pool. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. They dance together. They dance together. The rain falls softly. The rain falls softly. We travel by train. We travel by train. They sitting on the bench. They sitting on the bench.